Hey guys, Alex here. I live in Barrie, Ontario, and today I'll show you my new camera. After a few days researching, I got this Reolink TrackFlex Floodlight WiFi with built-in lighting. I want to install it instead my garage light. So I spent a few days for researching and I hope that works great. So we'll see. Let's start with unboxing. Inside the box you get the TrackMix Floodlight camera, the mounting bracket, screws, wiring connectors and the basic installation accessories. Everything is packed pretty well and clearly organized. The camera itself is interesting because it combines two lenses, motorized tracking and built-in floodlight, and all in one unit. For this installation I'm replacing the outdoor light fixture about my garage. So the first thing I did was remove the existing light and expose the wiring that was already there. Once the old light was removed, I installed the mounting base for the Reolink camera in the same location. Next, I connected the hose wiring to the mounting base. After that, I connected the wiring from the camera itself and secured everything in place. Once the connections were done, I mounted the camera onto the base and tightened it so everything sits firmly on the wall. Overall, the process is pretty similar to installation or replacing a regular outdoor floodlight.
Today, security systems are essential for almost everyone. Homes, businesses, warehouses, schools, offices, but finding a reliable company to install a security system is not always easy. Online, there's often very little useful information. Many companies are barely present online, or their websites don't clearly show their experience or past projects. It becomes difficult to understand which companies you can truly trust. Pipl Systems is a platform where you can find professional security system integrators, companies that install modern video surveillance, access control, and alarm systems. On Pipl Systems, you can search companies by location, choose the type of security system you need, or find integrators in your state or province. We work with companies across North America and continuously expand our network of partners in the United States and Canada. We also work directly with security integrators. We visit their projects, film real installations, and document their work. This content is added to company profiles so you can see real projects and better understand each team's experience. And if you need help, you can contact us directly. We'll help you find the right security integrator and connect you with a trusted company for your project. Pipl Systems. Find trusted security partners for your project.
That's my favorite part, guys.
Welcome to Reolink. Please install Reolink app and scan the QR code on the camera.
One thing I realized during the installation: if you read the instruction first, there's actually a convenient way to do the setup. You can power the camera using a USB-C cable, connect it to the app and finish the setup before mounting it on the wall. That way you don't have to configure everything while standing on the ladder. Also, the QR code you need for setup is located on the back of the floodlights, so it's good to know where to find it. Once the camera is powered on, the setup process is pretty simple. I opened the Reolink app, scanned the QR code and followed the instructions. Within a few minutes, the camera connected to Wi-Fi and showed up in the app. From there, you can adjust motion detection settings, notification and other basic preferences. After the installation, I spent some time testing the camera outside. This camera is positioned to monitor the driveway and the front area of my garage. So the main goal here is keeping an eye on vehicles and activity near the house. The camera records in the 4K resolution and the image looks very clear during the day. After using the camera for a bit, it's also worth talking about what's actually inside this system. The Reolink TrackMix Floodlight WiFi is a dual-lens 4K outdoor security camera designed to give both a wide overview and detailed close-ups at the same time. It combines an 8 megapixels wide-angle lens with a telephoto lens that supports up to 6G hybrid zoom, which means the camera can keep a full view of the area while also zooming into track movement. The camera can pan up to 355 degrees and tilt about 50 degrees, giving it almost full coverage of surrounding space. It also uses AI-based detection, so it can identify people, vehicles and animals and automatically follow movements using auto tracking. The built-in LED floodlights can reach up to around 3000 lumens, which helps illuminate the area at night and enables full-color night monitoring. For security, the camera also supports active deterrence, including a 110 decibel siren and two-way audio, so you can hear what's happening and speak through the camera if needed. The system connects through Wi-Fi and it supports local storage up to 512 GB, which means you can record high-resolution footage without needing a subscription. In real use, this becomes especially noticeable at night. When the camera detects motion, the floodlights can automatically turn on, lighting up the driveway. At the same time, the system can trigger the siren if you enable this feature, which makes it clear that the area is being monitored. Later, I also checked the camera feed through the Reolink desktop application. It's another convenient way to monitor the camera from a computer, reviewing recordings and adjust settings. Another useful feature is Reolink's AI search. Instead of manually scrolling through hours of recordings, you can simply type a keyword describing what you're looking for. For example, here I enter "person with a dog", and the system instantly scans the locally stored footage and shows all matching clips. From there, you can quickly open the exact moment you need. Overall, after installing and testing the camera, the experience has been pretty straightforward. I've used several different security cameras around my house from different brands, and one thing I noticed here is that the Reolink interface is very intuitive and easy to navigate. The 8-megapixel image quality, the dual lens system and the built-in floodlights make this camera a solid option for monitoring areas like driveways or entrances. For now, I'll keep it testing it over time and see how it performs in everyday use. Guys, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe please, and I'll keep you posted. Also, I'm very excited to use doorbell and backyard camera from Reolink. We'll see guys how it works.